Just fumbling around, looking for my salt and pepper. Old Adrian's gonna have to edit this one out. Alright, so today for dinner, we're gonna do some fajitas. Some sirloin tip steak. On this nice little cutting board that I got. A trusty fillet knife. And we're going to take these and slice them into nice little fajita strips. So we got our steak all cut up. Don't forget your glove. And then we're going to take our large cast iron, it's a 14-inch skillet, right on top of the fire. Gordon Ramsay would say pan hot. And we're going to take our steak. Right on the pan. A little bit of oil. It's start getting hot, so we're going to keep tossing it. In the meantime, I'm going to run, get some salt and pepper. Here we have our salt and pepper, these little grinders. Salt. Nice little tables. These things will be done in no time. Frozen bag of fajita blend vegetables. Is that a bag, just a bag of mixed veggies? Yep, veggies, green pepper, red pepper, and onion. They won't take long and they will be done. And then we will have fajitas for camping. I think we're ready. We're gonna pull that off. We're gonna do it quick. Grab it and go onto the log, just like that. Good size shells, flour shells, and some mixed cheese. So. Just some cheese on top, and that's good. I'm eating. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to JV Outdoors, where we do everything outdoors. It is the next day. We all survived the night. It got cold. I'd have to say it got into a mid-30s. We were prepared for it, though. All of us stayed pretty good. Got Callie hanging out in my tent right now. We're gonna make some coffee. We got the jug of water. Morning, Andy.
Morning.
Morning, Austin.
Morning.
We got a little fire going. It was still hot from last night, and our stainless steel kettle sitting on the fire, heating up full of water. So we're gonna make some coffee and wake up. We got this little collapsible coffee dripper, our coffee filters, we'll pour our hot water over it. There we have it, my cup of coffee. Just like brewed at home. I'm gonna enjoy this cup of coffee by the fire, and we are gonna maybe cook up some breakfast. Got our toaster, our Lodge cast iron skillet's hot. We got the eggs, we got the bacon, we got some English muffins and some sharp cheddar cheese. So we're gonna make some breakfast sandwiches. Thanks. We're gonna start the bacon now and then do the eggs after. Almost done cooking breakfast. We got our toaster, toasting our English muffins, some eggs frying up in the bacon grease. That is just amazing. Got everything over here. Almost ready to go. Cook some more eggs, toast our English muffins, and we're gonna eat like kings. Cheers. That hits the spot. Warm breakfast after a cold night. Perfect. I'm gonna eat this. I think we're gonna start putting everything away, cleaning up, and get home. So we'll see you guys in a little while. And as always with JB Outdoors, spend more time outdoors. If you like this video, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. We always love fishing and camping, anything that we can do outdoors. Of course, we love it here. This is a cool piece of property, but we do want to start venturing out a little bit more.